8. Things to know before visiting Little Chinatown, where dumplings and shenanigans await. Welcome to Little Chinatown. It's not just a place, it's a wild, tasty adventure. The air smells like heaven, or is that just the dumplings plotting to take over? Get ready for a vibrant culture and a potential food coma, or two. One, get ready to eat. Food galore. Dim sum, yes and yes. Pro tip, if there's a line, it's probably worth it. Or it might just be the local marathon, who knows? If you leave hungry, consider hiring a taste bud therapist. Seriously, trust me on the buns, they're little pockets of joy. Two, bring cash. Why cash is king card machines here have a tendency to ghost you. Cash is like a warm hug for your wallet. Happy bellies guaranteed, pending transactions not so much. Bonus, cash lets you sneakily buy more dumplings on the side without anyone knowing. 3. Embrace the crowds, people everywhere. Picture it as a giant foodie parade. Everyone's just as excited to be there as you are. Remember, it's not chaos, it's just the universe throwing a party. Personal space? What's that? We're all friends in the dumpling line now. 4. Learn some basics. Language skills. A few phrases will make you feel like a language champion. Practice saying zishi, thank you, or zai jian, goodbye. Just don't thank someone while saying goodbye. That's just weird. 5. Explore beyond the food. Hidden gems await. Markets, shops and decorations brighter than your future. Don't be overwhelmed, just follow the sparkle. Warning, you might stumble upon a jade dragon and have to ask yourself, do I really need a new pet? 6. Watch for busy streets. Traffic alert. Cars, bikes and pedestrians. Oh my, it's like a live-action game of Frogger, but with more snap breaks. Remember, speedwalking is an Olympic sport here. It adds to the thrill. 7. Enjoy the festivals. Celebrate culture. If a festival is happening, strap in for a roller coaster ride of fun. Dragon dances, lanterns and fireworks galore. Who doesn't love a good sparkly show? Don't forget to snap those selfies. Future, you will thank you when you have 300 pictures of fireworks. 8. Don't forget to bargain. Shopping tips. Haggling is a sport here. Bring your A-game. Channel your inner bargaining ninja, but don't go overboard unless you want them to laugh you out of the stall. Remember, if you argue too hard, they might just hand you a full-priced item and a smirk. Ready for your adventure? Little Chinatown is a sensory explosion. Embrace the delightful chaos, savor every bite, and create unforgettable memories. Who knows, you might leave with a full belly, a jade dragon, and a few epic stories to tell. Q&A questions, comments, knock-knock jokes, open floor. Let's swap tales or dish out food recommendations. Extra points for the most outrageous culinary fails you've survived. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about 8 things you must know before exploring Little Chinatown. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.